Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this VIVO. Firstly, you need to open devices settings. In them, scroll down to access battery. Now scroll down again and tap on this blue switcher next to fast charging. As you can see, after that, fast charging is disabled. If you wish to enable it, click on the same, now grey switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!